Hello children, welcome to All Rounder Mathematics channel. Now I am going to explain trigonometry level chapter exercise 11.3. Okay children, let's listen careful. First problem, evaluate tan 36 degree by cot 54. In previous exercise they given particular values 0, 30, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Where trigonometry table the values they given. In this they didn't give see tan 36 cot 54. How can we find these values? You will get confusion. No need to confusion. For this also solution is there, that is complementary angles. First of all, complementary angle means sum of any two acute angles is equal to 90 degree. Then those angles said to be complementary angles. If any two angles add करे तो 90 degrees आया तो those angles said to be complementary angles to each other. Okay. Tan 36, what they given in solution? What have given? Tan 36 degree by cot 54 degree. See, if you add 36, 54, add करके की 6 plus 4 10, 4 4 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. Same way. Now 36 degree don't disturb. Down 54 degree we can disturb. Means 90 minus 36 is equal to 54. Right, ma? 90 minus 36 is equal to 54. We can write that is equal to tan 36 degree don't disturb by cot 90 minus 36 means 36 is equal to 54. 54 value same 9 value, right? Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. This is the complementary angle. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. From this, tan 36 degree by cot 90 minus theta. Theta place 36 degree is there. In theta place 36 degree is there means tan theta means down also cot 90 minus 36 becoming tan 36 degree. See, numerator denominator having same values, they can cancel them. That is equal to answer is 1. What is answer? 1. Second one. What they given in second one? Cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. Okay. Question. Cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree they given. What you have to write, ma? Given. What they given? Cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. In this also we no need to disturb first one. Cos 12 as it is, right? 78. First one if you subtract 90 minus 12 is equal to 78 है ना माँ? मतलब 90 minus 78 also 12, right? 90 minus 78 is equal to 12. 90 minus 12 is equal to 78. मतलब we can write sin as it is, sin 90 minus 12. फर्स्ट नंबर है ना, ये नंबर इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो क्या होता? वैल्यू भी चेंज नहीं होता. cos 12 degrees as it is, but complementary angle sin 90 minus formula is there beta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. What is the complementary formula? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. What is the complementary angle formula? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Theta plus what is there? 12. Means cos 12. See, cos 12 minus cos 12. What is the answer? 0 is the answer for this. Okay, students? Students, in this problem, cosecant 31 minus secant 59 they given. What they given? Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. Whatever they given, we have to write as you know. 31 degree minus cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. In this also, first one don't disturb. First term don't disturb. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 90 minus 90 degree minus 31. First one if you write minus 31. So if you write, see 90 minus 31 is equal to 9. 8 minus 3 5. 59 ही जा रहा ना, इसलिए डायरेक्ट आंसर we can write. First one whatever number is there we can write that only in this. Cosecant 31 degree as it is minus secant 90 minus what is complementary angle formula? Complementary angle formula secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. What is the formula beta? 90 minus secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. This is the complementary angle formula. Secant 90 minus theta. Theta place what is there? 31 degree means cosecant 31 degree. Both are same. This one we can cancel that. Then what is the answer? 0. This is the answer for this. Next, fourth one. Fourth one. What they given fourth one? Sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree. Secant 75 degree. What they given question? Sin 15 degree, secant 75. This is little different. Given sin 15 degree, secant 75 degree. In this also sin 15 as it is, keep as it is. Sin 15 degree, secant 90 minus theta means this value 15 we can write here. First one, first number is there now. If you write that is easy for you. 90 minus 15 is equal to 10 minus 5 5, 8 minus 1 7. 75 we got 75. That's why we can write directly. Now sin 15 as it is you write. Secant 90 minus theta. What is the complementary angle? Same formula. Secant 90 minus theta. 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. What is the formula? Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. This is the complementary angle formula. Secant 90 minus 15 means cosecant 15 degree. Up to here okay. After that I am going to write here. Listen careful. Sin 15 continuity. Sin 15 degrees as it is. Cosecant 15 they given. How is it? Cosecant 15 degree they given means cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta is a reciprocal of cosecant theta. Okay. Cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. What is it? Cosecant theta reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. Means cosecant 15 is becoming 1 by sin 15 degree. Cosecant 15 degree is becoming 1 by sin 15 degree. This 15 degree is in denominator. This 15 degrees is in denominator. Both will cancel. 1, 1. That is equal to 1, 1s are 1. What is the answer for this? This is the answer for this. Got it, ma? And next to fifth one. What they given fifth one? Tan 26, tan 64. Tan 26 degree, tan 64 degree they given. What is the answer? Solution. In solution, what you have to write? Tan given tan 26 degree, tan 64 degree is equal to, first one don't disturb as usual. You will not confuse in exam center also. Tan 90 minus 626. 90 degrees minus 26. 90 minus 26. 10 minus 6 4. 8 minus 2 6. 64 only na? 26 90 minus 26. If you do 64 only you are getting. Means we can write instead of 64 90 minus 26. Tan 26 as usual. Tan 90 minus theta, complementary angle formula we have to use here also. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. What is the formula, beta? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That means tan 90 minus 26 degree we can write cot 26 degree. Instead of this we can write cot 26 degree. Tan 26 as it is. Cot reciprocal of cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. What is this? Reciprocal of cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Reciprocal of cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Instead of cot 26 we can write 1 by tan 26 degree. What we can write? Cot 26, instead of that we can write 1 by tan 26 degree. Tan 26 in numerator, tan 26 denominator we can cancel. That is equal to, what is the answer for this? That is equal to 1 is the answer for this. Okay. Okay students. Thank you.